This week on Handyman Corner,
I will be discussing the shirt. This really disappointing shirt. I didn't buy it. And if I had bought this, well, first of all, I would not buy this. But second of all, if this was my shirt, I would not fix this and expect to wear it again. Let's talk about this rip. The person who ripped out the shoulder is probably actually a little too broad in the shoulders for this shirt, which is why I think this is a terrible idea. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Alright, so let's talk about this fabric. It is 100% polyester. And, this texture is totally artificial. I know it's supposed to look like linen, but it is not linen. Here we can see the filament fibers. Crimped filaments. There is a time and a place for crimped filaments, but they tend to unravel really easily, which is part of the reason this shirt ripped out here. It is as you can see by the rip, it is the fabric itself that has ripped, not the stitching. Just stitching in here to make it a little bit smaller in that area is really a terrible idea, because the whole reason that the shoulder ripped out in the first place is because this person is a little too broad in the shoulders for this shirt.
and this will require the handyman's secret weapon.
Interfacing. So what I'm going to do here with this piece of interfacing is I'm going to cut a piece of interfacing like slightly bigger than this hole, okay? Alright, piece of interfacing, slightly bigger than hole. I gotta put the ironing board back up. Ooh, it's quite a noise. But yeah, I gotta put the ironing board back up because Father's Day was last weekend and I had my dad over for the weekend. We don't have a spare bedroom, so we just put the air mattress in here. After ironing on the interfacing, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it still looks, you know, there's obviously a hole there. Like, I can't really do anything about that without making this shirt even smaller. So, now that the interfacing is on, I'm going to stitch it to the seam allowance, and then I'm just going to stitch, like, around the hole, because I don't know what else I can do with this. I'm stitching it down. Even though the interfacing is fusible, it's still going to be stronger being sewn to the seam allowance and outside of it too. I'm stitching through it more than once and in different locations, and that's going to help keep the fluffy fibers down. And this is what it looks like.
Remember, if women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.
Well, at least it won't get any worse. Probably. I mean, it actually probably will get worse just because this is such a terrible fabric.
Reading time? Yeah, you go ahead, Harold, okay?